To add a survey in HawkEye, you would click on the Add Survey button under the Home tab here. This will bring up the survey editor. Without having to touch the mouse, from here, you would simply type in your measured depth, hit enter, type in your inclination, hit enter once again, and then type in your azimuth. The third time that you hit enter, the survey will be added to the 3D space as well as the 2D space and your survey list here. Notice that the concentration of your cursor moves back to measured depth. This happens without having to use your mouse. If I had a list of surveys that I needed to enter quickly, I could type them in and just hit enter after each number without having to use a mouse in order to get those surveys in quickly. Everywhere else in this program, you would use the tab button instead of the enter button to register a change in a parameter. The only exception is here in the survey editor, where you would actually hit the enter key after putting in each value. One other thing to note is that even if I'm in the proposal mode, when I click on Add Survey, the surveys that I will add will still be added to my current work curve. In order for me to add surveys to a proposal, I actually have to right-click on the proposal and then select Add Survey. Notice here, Plan 1 is the curve to which I will add these surveys. I can also right-click on a proposal curve in the data tree and then select Add Survey. I can view all of my surveys under the Survey tab here, and if I left-click on any other curve in a project twice, it'll bring up the surveys for that curve. All of the fields in black are editable, whereas all of the fields in blue or white are calculated for me. I can rearrange the columns here by dragging and dropping, and if I need to completely add or remove columns, I can right-click on the colored title bar here and select Survey Grid Manager for a host of other options regarding the appearance and which columns are displayed.